Hi guys, in this video we are going to perform the Windows installation 25 H2 and no need of Microsoft account, and secondly, most importantly, this method is valid onto the very old computer as well. So let's start the video, and first of all we need to download the Windows ISO uh, from the official website of Microsoft. So here is the website. Now you have to scroll down it, select the ISO. Now you have to select the language. Once you select the language, you will have a download button. Once you click onto the download, installation downloading will be start instantly. So I've already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. And second thing is that we need FlyOB. So type onto the Chrome browser FlyOB. You will have this website GitHub. Then click on this link and scroll down it. Download the latest version. Scroll down it. Click onto the download. It will be downloaded instantly. Cut this file. Move on to the desktop. Extract here. Right click on it. Run as administrator. Click onto the details. Run. Now you have to bring the ISO here. Once you put the ISO, it will take a little time and installation will be started after that. So process is being started. So you can see that. Not right now. Hit next. Then you have to accept the license. Keep all the files and settings as it is. Ready to install. Just we have to click onto the install. So it would take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on your system speed and processor and RAM. And once it is done, I will be back. So finally Windows installation successfully done, and we didn't configure any account as well. So all is good, and now we are good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give the thumbs up. If you have any query and if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I will give the answer as soon as possible. See you guys in the next video.